I chose core maths because I do biology and psychology, and I found it really helpful in those subjects. It's really good because it's 70% GCSE curriculum, and you get to apply that to everyday life. You get to do taxes, mortgages, which are really good for moving on further from this school. You should do core maths if you are planning on not taking a maths A-level but are still doing some mathsy subjects. So like I said, I'm doing sciences, and it's really helpful with those because you can apply it to your subjects. So that's why you should take core maths.
There are a few options to consider when looking at Maths post-16, and at Wycombe High School you have the option of taking Maths A-level, further Maths at AS or A-level, and a Core Maths Level 3 qualification. The Maths A-level builds upon your GCSE knowledge and introduces new ideas. Further Maths can be taken either as a full A-level or as an AS as part of the enrichment programme, and this extends your maths knowledge looking at a wider range of topics in more detail. And then Core Maths Level 3 develops your problem-solving skills and looks at how to apply the maths that you already know to real-life situations. This is also taken as part of the enrichment programme. The Core Maths qualification is versatile and will help prepare you for higher education, employment and beyond. It will equip you for the mathematical content in your other A-level subjects, and it is interesting, engaging and relevant to the world that we live in. So let's find out more about what it entails. It is important to have a solid grounding in mathematics, no matter what your future career path may look like, and this qualification helps you with that. It was launched in 2014 as an initiative to improve the mathematical skills of students who have passed their GCSE. It carries the same number of UCAS points as an AS level, and here at Wycombe High School, it is taught and examined in Year 12, meaning that you can focus on your A-level options during Year 13. The mathematical content in other A-level subjects has increased since the A-level reform, and depending on the A-levels that you choose, you could find yourself still doing quite a bit of maths. Core Maths helps you prepare for this by both looking at specific techniques involved in your other subjects, but also just by doing more maths, you're keeping the techniques you learnt at GCSE fresh. Here at Wycombe High School, we study AQA Mathematical Studies with statistical techniques. You'll sit 2 papers at the end of Year 12. The first one is compulsory for all strands of the qualification, which covers analysis of data, maths for personal finance, estimation and critical analysis. Paper 2A covers the statistical techniques which are useful for those studying subjects such as geography, psychology, biology and more. 80% of the content in the Core Maths qualification is GCSE knowledge, but you're applying it to real-life situations. Here are some examples of typical Core Maths questions. Universities are recognising the benefit of a Core Maths qualification, and many are now including it as part of their offer if they know that a student has studied it. The University of Bath recognises that the skills learned on the Core Maths course are invaluable and applicable to many degree courses that they offer. As such, they have been known to lower their entry offers to students who have done well in Core Maths. Here are some examples. So if a student achieves a grade B in Core Maths and wishes to study courses such as architecture, business, biosciences, chemistry, pharmacy, education, health, sport, languages, politics, psychology and social sciences, they may receive a reduced offer. The University of Sheffield are offering something similar, however the grade required in Core Maths depends on the degree that's applied for. These are just 2 examples. Many more universities are offering this as well, and in fact we have had Wycombe High School students over the past few years who have benefited from this. Our students are finding this qualification extremely beneficial for a variety of reasons. It takes your GCSE knowledge and applies it in context to real-life problems, and what could be more fun than that? Another big part of the course is looking at personal finance, so things such as taxes, mortgages, loans, budgeting, etc., which are all needed for life beyond Wycombe High School. Here is a story from one of our ex-pupils who has just started a course at the University of Bath to do business management. Not only did she benefit from a reduced offer as she studied Core Maths, but during Year 12 she also found out that she was being taxed for her part-time job when she shouldn't have been, and only figured out when she started studying the personal finance section of the course.